Pac-Man is one of the greatest video games of all time. So today, we're gonna play Pac-Man in real life. To play this, we're gonna need 3 Roombas, or whatever brand you can find. Not a sponsor. So for the dots, we're gonna use little piles of sugar, but we don't want our ghost Roombas to also pick up the dots, so I took out all the vacuum guts out of these ones. So this is gonna work like a normal Pac-Man game. I'll be Pac-Man, you and Theo will be the ghosts. I'll have 3 lives to try to eat all of the dots before you guys catch me. So you think you're gonna win?
I know I'm gonna win.
All right, well, let's start it up. Ready, player 1. And the ghosts. Go. There we go. You guys coming for me or what? Oh, the Pac-Man is hungry today.
Blinky's about to put you on a diet.
You coming for me, Theo?
I'm coming for you.
Oh, no. No. No.
I'm gonna get
No. No. No.
Oh!
Dang it. All right, ready? Go. Uh-oh.
Oh,
No, 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 no. No, no, back up. No. No.
no!
No. Yes. Go, 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 go.
Theo, go get him! Theo, get him! Get him,
Oh
Theo!
my gosh.
Get him! Get
This
him!
is
Turn around,
way
Theo!
harder than it would seem.
Oh,
Dang it. Okay, ready? Last life. Oh, uh-oh. No, 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 no. No, back up. No.
Theo, we can trust him!
No,
Theo!
no,
Theo!
no, no.
Oh my gosh. I gotta get out of here. Stop, go the other way.
This is nerve-wracking. 4 more dots and the game is mine.
I don't think so.
No, no, no.
Ah!
That is way harder than it looks. Oh, you gotta really get into it. Oh, Corona.